So, you may ask, how does Summa RMA process work? All material, returned to Summa, must be pre-authorized. This authorization is granted by the assignment of a return material authorization number. The RMA number is used to authorize, receive, track and report on a specific return. There are 3 categories to determine the warranty of a Summa item. The categories are mentioned in the price lists of the different Summa products. Summa units, mainly mains and options, are covered by 2 years warranty on parts. Spare parts are covered by 90 days warranty. Lastly, consumables and accessories are covered by 30 days warranty. Step 1. How to register your faulty parts. If your parts are not functioning, register the parts with our support department by providing the following information by email to rma@summa.com. Unit serial number. We need this serial number so that it can be tagged to the system and machine history. Only one RMA number will be processed per unit serial number. Unit's model number. Part numbers of the faulty parts which you are registering if it is not a complete unit. You can refer to Summa knowledge base to get the latest spare part list or contact your Summa reseller for the part number. Error description of the part/unit, provide photos/videos of the defects if possible. This is to further verify that the parts that are claimed faulty are related to the error. Step 2. Approval of RMA by Summa. If the device is qualified for a return, a Summa technical support engineer will notify you by email. The RMA document sent out to you will look like the below sample. Do always pay attention to this document when RMA distributes this out. Make sure to also read the notes under the remarks section. It will either state the deadline to return the defective parts back to Summa, or there isn't a need to return. Take note that you will be invoiced if parts needed to return to Summa is not being sent back within the stated deadline. Step 3. You will be notified by email. You will be notified by email once we ship your new/repaired parts along with a tracking number. If it's taking too long, it might be stock is unavailable or other reasons, so please do check back with RMA with your RMA number to check the status if it's longer than usual. Once sent out, you can track your package via tracking info on the email. The parts will be shipped at Summa's expense. You can also check your RMA status using my.summa.com. You can refer to the attached document for further information. Summa will not refund parts that were sent back for repair under warranty. Step 4. Shipment of faulty parts, within 30 days after approval. Print the received RMA packaging document that was received in your email. Place the document outside the parcel. The RMA number must be prominently displayed on the outside of the packaging and ship it to the following address. All these mentioned steps are the main steps needed to register and complete the RMA process. There are other RMA cases like repair or dead on arrival/DOA. You can refer to the unofficial Summa document which I've compiled. The download link is in the description below. If you have further questions regarding RMA, you can either email rma@summa.com or contact a Summa representative near you.